Hello, welcome to this Getting Started tutorial. Today we're getting started with Hospitality and Tourism Complete. In this short video, we'll go over how to access Hospitality and Tourism Complete, what kind of information is available in this database, and how to complete a basic search. Let's get started. Visit the library's website at lib.purdue.edu to access the library's A to Z list of databases. You'll find Hospitality and Tourism Complete on this list. Hospitality and Tourism Complete covers scholarly research and industry news related to all areas of hospitality and tourism. This collection contains over 800,000 records with coverage dating as far back as 1965. Full text is available for more than 490 publications, including periodicals, company and country reports, and books. This is the interface for Hospitality and Tourism Complete. Hospitality and Tourism Complete is an EBSCO database, so the interface may seem familiar if you've used other EBSCO databases in the past. In the middle of the page, you'll find the search box. Here you can set up a basic search by keyword. Below the search box, you'll find a variety of search options that can help you set specific parameters. For example, you can limit your search to include only full-text results with a specific publication date. We'll start our search using the keyword hotel. Here are our results. As you can see, this search returned almost 400,000 results. Let's say we want to edit our search to create a more targeted approach. We can click on Search History and type restaurants. Then add it to our search by selecting both keywords and choosing Search with and. Now we have just under 40,000 results. Still a lot, but significantly less than 400,000. We can use the options on the left side of the screen to narrow our results further. For example, let's limit the results to only full text and only those that have been peer-reviewed. This brings our total results to just over 1,500. Much more manageable than the 400,000 we started with. To open a result, just click on the title. This will open a detailed record that includes information such as the author or authors, document type, abstract, and more. On the left side of the page, you can open the full text, in this case either as an HTML file or PDF. Over on the right side of the screen, you'll find a variety of tools you can use to export, save, print, and cite this article. If you don't find what you're looking for using the basic search options, try setting up an advanced search by clicking on the Advanced Search link. This search allows you to search multiple fields and set additional parameters. Now you know how to access Hospitality and Tourism Complete, what kind of information is included in this database, and how to complete a basic search. For more information and other business-related resources, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.